Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a Bath and Body Works haul. So
Real ugly moment.
let's see what we got. You know I know what we got, but y'all want to see what we got. So let's open up that baby up. Be careful with your box cutter. I have been waiting on this. Who doesn't love Bath and Body Works, right? So let's see. Some of the fragrances that I got, I know one of them is new. Oh no, my top fell off. Oh, let's start off. Now, I love candles, I do, but right now I'm currently on this wax melter kick. So I got a lot of wax melters around the house. I love the smell, so I got a couple of them. Let's see. Ooh, this one is Cactus Blossom. Let's see. Open that bad baby up. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, I'm going to pop that in when I'm done. This one is White Gardenia. I have these in candles, so I pretty much know how they smell. Oh. And they come like that, so I will have to break them, loosen them up. Oh my God, you guys, they smell. Three of those. This one is Champagne Toast. Ooh. This one is a bit rosy. Smells like flowers. Ooh, that's champagne. It doesn't really smell like champagne. Everybody knows what white gardenia smells like. Like outside, like a fresh mowed grass. And Cactus Blossom. Ooh, this one is sweet. It smells. Ooh, that smells so good. It's like a. Ooh, it's like a sweet with a nutty apple taste to it. Okay, let's get right to it because I got some stuff now. Ladies, I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, everyone who watches my channel, if you want your man, or if you are a man who wants to smell good and feel good, I'm going to plug you guys. I'm gonna give you the tea. This is what I give my baby. Bourbon. Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh, it's just so manly. I got him that with the lotion, of course, because he be ashy. And the cologne. Yeah, that smells so good. So that's his set. He will be around here smelling fine. Okay, this is my favorite scent. The top was off. Hello, beautiful. Ooh, I love this. Ooh, it's my favorite scent. Well, one of my favorites. It's so light but aromatic. Has a cologne taste, smell, not taste, cologne smell to it, but for females. It's like CK1 but for females. What else I got? I got rose. This one, it smells like rose. It's light, iridescent, great for after the shower. Ooh, that one smells so good. Now, I saw that they discontinued Beautiful Day. So, I got this beautiful day. I think it says new. So let's see what this one smells like. I hate that they discontinued Beautiful Day. That was like one of my favorite scents. So let's see. I got some, you gotta smell something different first before you start spritzing around. Alright. Let's see. Oh, it's the same. It's the same. It's the same. Just a new bottle. I guess they was discontinuing the bottle. So that's what we have so far. Now on to the, ooh, they gave me a coupon. They always giving me a 20% off. Because I spends, honey. I spends. Alright, so I got something from the aromatherapy collection. I got stress relief. Because, who wants to be stressed? Let's smell this. It says eucalyptus and spearmint. If you like eucalyptus, this is for you. Ooh, plastic top. Yeah, it's real minty. Ooh, smells like breath mint. The bottles used to be glass. And I got Sleep. Now I remember Sleep from a while ago in the blue. Smelled good. This one's black, so let's see what this smells like. If I can get it open. Smells good. This smells like CK1. It really does. This is the black one. This is the Sleep with black chamomile. That smells so good. I can't wait to use that. And last and surely not least, I got the Sleep lotion. This one, oh, it's glass. This is glass. It's packed so nice. I don't even want to use it. It's so pretty. Ah. That's the lotion. I didn't get the whole set. Just got these two. I really got this for him because my baby been needing some sleep. Turn it. You don't want to squeeze right now. And then it just, oof, smells good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's try it. Let's see what we get. Yeah, guys, so this is it. This is the haul for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be back with more. So for those of you who love wax as much as I do, I just wanted to show you how big they were, and they smell amazing already. And you see I just put it in. They are so fat. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. Bye.